Hello everyone, myself Sneha Murthy, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today the topic we are going to discuss about is impact of agile development practices on project outcomes. The first here we are going to discuss is impact of agile development practices on project outcomes. Here, the agile development practices have transformed software project management leading to improved outcomes. These practices prioritize the flexibility, collaboration, and the continuous delivery, enabling teams to respond rapidly to change the requirements and deliver value to the customer faster. It will deliver the products to the customer very fastly. This is the impact of agile development that will come out as the outcomes. Here we can see the clear picture about the agile team, which is working. First is vision and the priorities we should have keep on this agile team, and the information and the content, empowerment and the trust. Next, for the team the succeeding, they need us to provide the clear guidance and the support. Feedback and guidelines also we have to follow, resolve the implements, support, help to establish the dialogues. This is the agile team based organization which we can see. The next is introduction to agile methodology. First is iterative approach, and the next is cross-functional teams, and the last one is customer collaboration. First is iterative approach. Agile emphasizes the breaking down project into smaller manageable iterations with regular feedback and adjustment. And the next is cross-functional teams. Agile team include members with diverse skills who collaborate closely through the development process. And the next is customer collaboration. Agile values engagement with the customers, which ensures the final product which meets their needs. This is the Agile Scrum framework which we can see. First, they'll take inputs from the executives, team, stakeholders, customers, and the users. And then the project owner and the team will be there. There the product backlog, sprint planning, marketing, all the things will go down. This is a picture we can see how the Agile Scrum frameworks can go. And the next is key principles of agile development. In that, the first one is adaptability, and the second one is continuous delivery, and the next one is self-organization. First is adaptability. In adaptability, the agile embraces change and empowers the team to quickly respond to the shifting requirements or market conditions. Continuous delivery. Agile focuses on releasing the working software in small, frequent increments rather than a single large delivery. And the next is self-organization. Agile teams are empowered to make the decisions and organize their own work, fostering innovative and ownership. This is all about the key principles of the agile development. Next is iterative and the incremental delivery. In increment iterative and incremental delivery has three conditions. First one is we have to plan things accordingly, and we have to build, and finally we have to review the product. First with agile team collaboratively define the project scope, priorities and the timeline in short sprints. The next build one is cross-functional teams work iteratively to design, develop and test software features. And the last one is review. Teams regularly review the progress and make the adjustment to the plan as needed to the customer. This is the 6 stages of the software development cycle, which we can see in the diagram. And the next one is continuous feedback and collaboration. First is we have the customer involvement and the team communication, transparency and continuous improvement. First is customer involvement. Agile requires the close collaboration with the customers to ensure the product meets their evolving needs. The next is team communication. Agile team communicate frequently, hold regularly meetings and they share information openly to stay aligned. And the next is transparency. Agile processes promote the visibility into the project status, progress and any issues or challenges. And finally, the last one is continuous improvement. Agile teams regularly reflect on their processes and look for ways to optimize and enhance them. This is the continuous feedback and the collaboration. Agile team leader collaboration is product owner, lead, scrum master, and the agile team will be present in the agile team collaboration. This we can see in the picture. And the next one is adaptability to change. First is respond to change, and the next is minimize risk, and third one is prioritize value. First is agile team are empowered to quickly adapt to changing requirements, technologies, or market conditions. The agile team have to respond quickly to the changing requirements with respect to the technologies or the market conditions so that the customer can reach their product. Next is minimize work. Agile incremental approach helps the team identify and address the issue early, reducing overall the project risk. Here, the agile team have to recognize what are the issues which are facing by the customers and reducing overall the project risks so that every customer can buy their product easily. Next is prioritize value. Agile enables the team to focus on the numbers and the features and deliver them quickly. As soon as the customer orders their product, they have to quickly respond to their mails and have to send that product very quickly so that everyone can buy their product easily. The next is here we can see in this picture software agile development. First meet and plan. Firstly we have to meet and plan, and we have to design, we have to code and test and release, then finally we have to take a feedback of this program. And the next is improved project visibility and transparency. First is regular meeting. Agile team holds the frequent meetings to review progress, address challenges, and align on next steps. Firstly, we have to hold a frequent meeting to review the progress and address the challenges and align on a next step. Next one is visual tracking. Agile utilizes the tools like Kanban boards to visually monitor the status of the tasks and deliverables. Visual tracking means how the product is going on and how overall we can track those products. This we can do in the visual tracking. And the next is progress metrics. Agile teams track and share key metrics like brown burn down project velocity and health. This is the progress matrices which we can see in the project visibility and the transparency of the agile. Here the diagram shows the clear picture about these regular meetings, visual tracking, and the progress metrics. Next is faster time to market and the customer value. Here there are three types. First is rapid iteration, next is continuous improvement, and finally the last one is early delivery. Rapid iteration means agile iterative approach enables the team to quickly build, test, and deploy new features. Continuous improvement, it refers to agile team continuously gather feedback and enhance the product based on user needs. Early delivery refers to agile focuses on the delivering work software to the customer in small frequent increments. Early delivery means how soon as possible the customer orders the product, we have to deliver the tin on time so that the customers can order our products very easily so that the product reach also may reach faster to the customers. Next is increased team productivity and efficiency. First is focused sprints, next is self-organization, and the last one is automation. First, the focused sprints refers to agile teams work in a short time boxed sprints to maintain the moment and minimize the distractions. Self-organization refers to agile empowers the team to organize their own work, fostering ownership and accountability. Next, the automation refers to agile encourages the tools and streamline to reduces the manual work. Agile team roles, the production owner, first is the production owner, the next is the team lead, and the last is the dev team. The product owner is the stakeholder of the project. Team lead is the team member who primarily responsible to help the team. by clearing all the roadblocks and supporting their project process. And the dev team refers to it made up of a group of decided developers working together to achieve the product of owners' objectives. This is all about the agile teams and roles, increase team productivity and efficiency. Next is case studies and success stories. So these are the three case studies. First one is Spotify, next is Atlassian, and next is Intuit. Spotify uses the agile practices enabled them to rapidly scale their music streaming platform. Atlassian is agile approach helped them deliver new features and improvements quickly. Intuit Agile transformation improved their timeline and the customer satisfaction. This is how these are the three success stories in which the Agile is developed and succeeded. Thank you.